Hi everyone, just a quick video today, and I have to send out a huge thank you to one of the subscribers who commented in the channel just yesterday. They went looking for one of my books and couldn't find it in the search on Amazon, one that I'd mentioned in one of my previous videos. So I went in and I checked and I found that the categories were incorrect. Now, at some point during the last year or so that I've been doing KDP, there has been some change made to the way that we can select categories when we're going through our bookshelf. So this has alerted me to maybe I need to go back into my books and see which ones may not be in the right categories at the moment. So I've just popped into my bookshelf. That's what you can see here up on the screen now. And this is a travel journal. Now I showed this to you when I was going through my experience of KDP so far. And this is how you can go, well, I'm also showing you how you can go back and edit as well. So currently it's live. It can be viewed on any of these Amazon dispatches, so AU, US, and it's $5.24, so I might even just change up that price as well. I try to make the prices that I set rounded up or down into a neat number. Like $5.24 just seems an odd thing to be, so I really do need to go back and check this. Just while we're here you can order author copies. So if you want to get copies of your own book, you can click here and you can put in an order quantity. You can order up to 999 copies. When you put this in, it will get saved into your Amazon cart if you're logged in, and then you'll be able to collect up some copies of the book that you're after, and then you can have the marketplace of your order here, wherever you're getting it from. So I'll just go back to where I was. Over here, next to order author copies, there's a little ellipsis. And if you click on that, you'll see you've got some choices here. You can edit your print book details, the content. So details would be anything around description and so on. That's what I'm going to go into in a minute. You've got edit print book content, if I can talk this morning. That's changing up your manuscript or your cover, your pricing. You can request printed proofs, order your author copies, so you can do that here as well. Promote and advertise, so this is another area that I can show you a little bit later. You can archive the title if you don't want to sell it anymore, add it to a series if you've since made some other books that can be linked together, or you can unpublish this print book. So what I'm going to do is go into edit book details, and let's have a look and see what I actually have got here for this travel journal. So I've just called it travel journal. You can't, once you've set a book title, you can't go in and change that. It's not part of a series. I've got that, that's fine. That's fine. No. Categories updates. This is where I've got it. Non-fiction travel journal, non-fiction sport, camping. So this needs to be changed, and I've even got a little warning here. I'm glad I did this. I'm so thankful to the community out there. Thank you so much for bringing this to my attention. Categories update. You can now choose 3 categories that match Amazon store categories. Well, that would be helpful, because if it's in the right category, I might actually get more of a sale. So let's choose the categories. We definitely don't want non-fiction. So this is what the categories look like. And we can go into crafts, hobbies and home. Probably not. Let's go to travel. I wonder if they've got, well, they've got travel writing there. So maybe if I go that one, let's add another category. Where am I going to find journals? Non-classifiables there if you can't find anything at all. Crafts, hobbies and home. And what do they have? Weddings, crafts, hobbies. Guided journals, not really a guided journal. Activity books, no. fitness style or reference. It's not really a reference book. Self-help, journal writing, well, it is journal writing, and you are. Now I might pop that one in there. Add another category. Let's have a non-classifiable. Maybe travel general. All right, so that would be a little bit different. So let's save those categories. Remove the others. While I'm here, I'm just going to check keywords. Travel, journal, travelers, memory keeping. I'm going to reword these a little bit so that they make a little bit more sense too. So, travel journal for travelers. Journal for recording your travel memories. A notebook gift for people that like to travel. Recording your travel memories. Actually, travel memory book, maybe. Travel memory book. Life on the road, I don't know about that. Might take that out altogether. Alright, so let's save and continue that. So I might spend some time this morning going back through, checking all my other books as well, and making sure that they are in the right spot. That's all good. Save and continue. So you do need to go through the screens, even though you had those options at the very beginning to go into your content, your pricing and so on. You still will need to navigate through each of these anyway. So here we have this weird $5.24. So let's go $5.99. That gives me $1 there. And this $10.52 or 57. So let's add on, what have we got there? $57.99, $10.90. $11.99. There we go. That looks good now, and publish. And what will happen is that you'll get a little prompt that says it's been submitted. You can close it. It hasn't gone back into review, or sorry, updates are in review, sorry. And then it goes to the top of your bookshelf here. So you'll notice that I've gone in and changed up the Ancient Egyptian Colouring Book, which I did show you in a previous video as well, and did some changes on that in terms of the categories. You'll also notice that I have a couple of different pen names here, which I'll talk to you more about in an upcoming video. So thank you again, and a big shout out to the person who let me know about that. I'm going to go ahead now and make those changes. And I hope that you enjoy your day, and I will see you in the next video.